Hi, Gabriel. It's Ms. Carr here. I'm going to try to record the Alpha Hardy song so we can learn the hand motions for each letter sound. I'm hoping that you can work along with me. And there are a few where there is like movement, like with the hop. You could actually hop. And then with the jump rope for the J sound for J, you could get up and jump the rope. I'm just going to move my hands back and forth like a jump rope, okay? So we'll practice the sounds together with this song, and then I'm hoping that you will just watch the second video that I sent you, which is just the Alpha Hardy song by itself, and you can do your own hand motions at home with mom. Okay, great. Let's try it. A for apple, a, a. B for bounce, b, 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 b. C for cat. D for dig, d, d, d. E for elbow, e, e, e. F for fan, G for gallop, g, g, g. H for hop, I for hitch, I, I, I. J for jump, j, 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 j. K for kick, L for love, ooh, ooh, ooh. M for much, mm, mm, mm. N for nod, mm, 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 mm. O for opera, ah, ah, ah. P for push, Q for quiet, quack, quack, quack. R for run, S for so, T for talk, U for upside, V for volley, W for wiggle, wah. X for X-ray, Y for yawn, yeah. Z for zigzag,
Letter sounds
are all you need. Put them together and you can read. So I hope that video helps and you can keep practicing all of the movements and the letter sounds, and I'll see you next Saturday at 10 a.m. I hope all of them were clear. If there's any that aren't, you can just try your best on them and I could do some clarification next week. Okay, great. Have fun, Gabriel. Good job.